Are you also looking for such a plan which can make your financial future look amazing? So now you can stop your searching because I have bought such an amazing business opportunity for you which can elevate your trading experience with the amazing benefit of AI intelligence. So today we are talking about Unity AI, where I am going to share all the related details with you. So before talking about other terms, if we understand what is Forex trading, so Forex trading is the buying and selling of currencies on the foreign exchange market with the aim of making a profit. If we talk about the power of Forex market, so the Forex trading is a $1 trillion industry because its per day transaction volume is about $8.7 trillion. Now, if we talk about what is MetaTrader 5, so this is a powerful trading platform for Forex and exchange market, where the successful trading starts with convenient and functional trading. MetaTrader 5 is the best choice for the modern traders. So now it's very important to know about the details of Unity AI bot trading. So basically, Unity AI is designed to help traders who want to use automated trading methods to assist with the technical analysis and repetitive element of Forex trading. So right now in the market, a lot of such platforms are available, but Unity AI trading provides you the main reason of why it should be the best choice. So here you will get to see the combination of 6 to 10 different low risk strategies, 24/5 market watch and analysis. You can maintain a good risk to reward ratio, excellent risk management, manage orders systematically. Unity AI has no greed or fear, and that's why it works with great emotional balance. Now let's talk about its working structure. So basically, Unity AI and its team focuses on one trade at a time so that you can get the maximum benefit and the amazing focus. Here you will get to see multiple strategies so that because of the market fluctuation, if one strategy is not working, then the other could help you. And 24/5 market analysis would be done so that you can get the live examples and the live news of the market structure. So now you can sit back and relax because the most profitable Unity AI trading is here to trade for you. So you can start your earning journey by just $50, and according to that you will be getting amazing AI guaranteed return. So if you are starting your journey with the amount $50 to $1,000, then the profit sharing would be 70% sharing and 30% distribution. If you start with $1,001 to $5,000, then 75% would be sharing and 25% distribution. And if you start with $5,001 and above amount, which is of royal quality, then you will get 80% as sharing and 20% as distribution. Now, once you have started your journey, after that you will get various types of incomes, which are self-written, where you will get daily profit with smart trading. Second one is profit sharing, where 10% bot charges and 90% would be sharing. Third one is daily incentive, where you will have the opportunity to earn $5 to $5 lakh of daily salary through teamwork. And the fourth one is the rank CTO, where you can get weekly CTO benefit. So first of all, if we talk about the daily trading return, so here you will get 0.5% to 1.5% of benefit in the form of daily trading return, where a bot system is going to give you this profit on daily basis. Now moving ahead, if we talk about the sharing profit which you can get from here, so you will get this from a total of 25 levels, where from level 1 you will get 25%, level 2 15%, level 3 to 6 4% from each level, level 7 to 8 3% from each level, level 9 to 10 2.5% from each level, and level 11 to 15 you will get 2% from each level. Similarly, level 16 to 20 would provide you 1.5%, and level 21 to 25 would provide you 1% from each level as your sharing profit benefit. The next benefit which you get from here is the magical incentive. So on the basis of some business target, you will be getting this amazing benefit, where first of all, if the business of $1,250 has been done, your rank would be star and you will get $5 as your magical salary benefit. If the business of $2,500 has been done, then your rank would be bronze and you will earn $12 as your salary. On the business of $5,000, your rank would be silver and you will earn $25 as your salary. On the business of $10,000, your rank would be gold and you will get $50 as salary. And as the rank keeps on increasing, you have the opportunity to earn up to $5 lakh as your magical incentive benefit. Now finally, we talk about the ranking bonus. So friends, here you will get some easy challenges. So here, if you can complete a challenge where 40 days challenge would be given to you to achieve platinum rank A, then here you will get share from company's total turnover, where 2% of company's total turnover will be distributed among the rank achievers. And here you will get 90 days challenge to achieve diamond rank, on the completion of which 3% of company's total turnover would be distributed among this rank achiever. And the percentage of CTO which you will earn from here would be based on weekly CTO. So this is how you can get the benefit of all these amazing bonuses, where along with that, the platform has many more other benefits such as MTS live trading, instant withdrawal, and that too is providing you free subscription for 1 year. Not only this, but the platform is soon going to provide you the benefit of crypto loan, where you can do crypto trading and you have the opportunity to earn 0.3% to 0.5% profit every day. Along with this, if we talk about some quick terms and condition, so if you withdraw your capital or principal within 6 months, then 15% amount would be deducted. Principal will be locked for 6 months. Instant deposit and withdrawal could be done in BP20. 10% admin fees would be deducted. Minimum withdrawal of fund transfer is of 10 USDT. And with that only, in order to know more details about the same, you can contact the top leaders, for which the contact details has been displayed on your screen. Thank you.